Working at Prudential was transformative for me. I was a person filled with uncertainty, and I wasn't confident or sure of my own abilities. I remember the day my friend passed away from cancer. I saw the horrors of having no support, and that's why I prioritized protection above everything else. I found myself here. I had to step up and help others. This is my calling. I want to make sure that other people are covered. I would hope for anybody to do the same. Find your calling, and you will help others along the way.
I constantly set my own goals and I focus on reaching them. Like making sure that I truly understand my clients. This is especially so because I have made a mid-career switch. People will often fear a bold move like that. But what you want is outside of your comfort zone. If you want it, you will do it. If you start right, you will end in the right path.
I've seen my customer gone through several phases in life. From marriage, to having home, to having kids. It is natural to have anxiety through this phase. I'm there to help them stay in their course. I've been told that, in a way, I'm like their coach. MDRT is certainly a recognition, but it is more important to find meaning in my job. And for me, I get personal satisfaction when I'm able to help my customer achieve their milestones.
I am CJ. I joined Prudential in 2021, and I'm a Court of the Table qualifier.
My name is Jessie. I did a mid-career switch and this is my third year qualifying for MDRT.
My name is Joe. I qualified for MDRT for 12 times. And I believe consistency is key.